Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by saving a copy so you can safely test fixes. This prevents accidental data loss. Next, open File, choose Info, then check for issues and run Check Accessibility. This quickly surfaces problems like missing alt text, unreadable colors, and improper header structure. Once done, scan the results pane and prioritize high-severity items. You'll focus on issues that block screen readers first. Make sure to note which sheet each issue is on, so you can address them in order. Now you fix structure and labels. Add concise alt text to charts and images explaining purpose rather than appearance, because screen readers rely on that description. For tables, ensure the first row is designated as header and use table tools to convert ranges into formal tables. This preserves header semantics. Also, adjust the reading order and remove unnecessary merged cells since they disrupt navigation. Once these changes are applied, rerun the checker to confirm the specific items are resolved. Finish by improving visuals. Ensure text and background contrast meets accessibility thresholds and avoid relying on color alone to convey information. Add patterns or labels instead. Replace generic link text with descriptive phrases so users know where links go. Linearize complex layouts by simplifying sheets and using logical tab order. This helps keyboard and screen reader users. Finally, rerun the accessibility checker and spot test with a screen reader to confirm results. If something still fails, check for hidden objects or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.